How to log into Kohls employee account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into Kohls employee account. So before we get started, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First, you'll need to simply search for Kohls employee login on a web browser. Then you'll find Kohls websites right here. You can simply head over to this website right here, and it should take you directly to your Kohls login site. All you have to do is type in your user ID, type in whatever your user ID is, then your network's password as well. Then, if you want to keep yourself signed in, select this button right here, and then tap on sign in to log in. And that's how easy it is, and that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. And again, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.